As an athlete, you're always pushing your limits, right? You hit the gym, you train hard, and you push your body to its full potential. But here's the big question. Are you giving your body the time and care it needs to recover properly? Recovery is just as important as the workout itself, and without it, you might not perform at your peak. In this video, we are going to show you how to build a weekly recovery routine that will help boost your performance, reduce soreness, and ensure you're always ready for your next workout. Let's dive into it. Understanding muscle soreness and recovery. We've all felt it, the soreness that hits a day or two after a tough workout. This is known as delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. It's caused by tiny, microscopic tears in your muscles when you push them beyond their normal limits. While soreness is normal and part of the muscle building process, too much of it can actually interfere with your next workout. If you don't recover properly, it can impact your performance, and that's where a recovery routine comes in. The soreness you feel is a sign that your muscles are repairing and growing. But if that soreness lingers too long, it can limit your ability to work out at full capacity. That's why a good recovery routine is crucial for athletes who want to perform their best without running into setbacks. When done right, recovery doesn't just help you feel better, it helps you come back stronger and more ready to tackle your next challenge. Step 1. The power of proper rest and sleep. Rest is one of the most important elements of a recovery routine. Without enough sleep and rest, your muscles won't have the time they need to repair and grow. This is why athletes who train hard every day must prioritize sleep, ensuring they get enough rest each night. Sleep is when your body does most of its recovery work. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormone, which plays a vital role in muscle repair and rebuilding. To make the most of your recovery, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. That doesn't mean just lying in bed. It's important to ensure you're getting quality sleep. Create a bedtime routine that helps your body unwind. No screen time an hour before bed, a calm environment, and perhaps some light stretching to help your muscles relax. When you prioritize sleep, you're giving your body the best chance to recover fully and perform better the next day. Step 2. Incorporate foam rolling and self-myofascial release. Foam rolling, or self-myofascial release, is one of the most effective ways to reduce muscle soreness and improve mobility. It involves using a foam roller to apply pressure to the muscles you've worked that day. This process helps release tight spots and improve blood flow, which aids in muscle recovery. Research shows that foam rolling can reduce muscle soreness, enhance flexibility, and speed up recovery. It's a great way to break up any muscle tightness and prepare your body for your next workout. After your workout, spend 10 minutes foam rolling the muscles that feel the most sore. If you can't fit it in right after your workout, try doing it a few hours later. By regularly foam rolling, you'll improve circulation and decrease soreness, which helps you feel better and perform better in your next workout. Step 3. Active recovery and low-intensity exercise. Active recovery is a fantastic way to speed up recovery without overloading your muscles. Unlike total rest, active recovery involves doing low-intensity exercises that help increase blood flow without adding stress to your body. This can include activities like light cycling, walking, swimming, or rowing, anything that gets your body moving without putting too much strain on your muscles. Studies have shown that active recovery, whether performed immediately after a workout or a day later, can significantly reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery times. After a leg day, for example, try some light cycling to keep your muscles active and prevent stiffness. For upper body workouts, swimming or rowing can keep your muscles engaged without taxing them further. Incorporating 5 to 10 minutes of active recovery into your routine will help reduce soreness and keep you feeling fresh for your next session. Step 4. Nutrition, fueling your recovery. Nutrition plays a big role in how quickly your muscles recover. After a tough workout, your body needs protein to repair and rebuild muscle fibers. Make sure you're consuming protein-rich foods or shakes after your workout to support muscle repair. In addition to protein, carbohydrates help replenish your body's glycogen stores, and staying hydrated is essential for muscle recovery. For optimal recovery, aim to consume a balanced meal with protein and carbs within an hour of finishing your workout. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish or fish oil supplements, are also beneficial for reducing muscle soreness and promoting muscle growth. They have anti-inflammatory properties that help your muscles recover faster. Step 5. Stretching and mobility work. While static stretching immediately after a workout isn't as effective as once thought, incorporating mobility work into your routine is still important. Mobility exercises help improve flexibility, reduce muscle tightness, and prevent stiffness. These exercises should focus on the muscles you work that day. Instead of holding static stretches for long periods right after your workout, try dynamic movements that improve range of motion and blood flow. Simple exercises like leg swings, shoulder rolls, and hip rotations are great for increasing flexibility and reducing tightness. This mobility work doesn't need to take long. 10 to 15 minutes each day can significantly improve your recovery and keep your muscles in top shape. Step 6. Consider supplements to aid recovery. While there's no miracle pill for recovery, certain supplements can support muscle repair and reduce soreness. Omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial as they've been shown to reduce muscle soreness after resistance training. You can get omega-3s from fatty fish or by taking fish oil supplements daily. Other supplements that may help with muscle recovery include taurine, L-citrulline, and L-glutamine. These supplements can reduce inflammation, promote muscle repair, and speed up recovery. While the research is still ongoing, many athletes find these supplements helpful for reducing soreness and improving recovery times. Caffeine, when consumed before a workout, has also been shown to reduce post-workout soreness. However, it's important to note that large doses of caffeine, around 400 milligrams or about 4 cups of coffee, can be too much for some people to take on a daily basis. So while caffeine can aid in reducing soreness, it's not a daily solution for everyone. Step 7. Progress gradually. Avoid overloading your body. One of the best ways to reduce muscle soreness is to gradually ease into your new workout routine. If you're a beginner or returning after a break, avoid jumping into high-intensity workouts too quickly. Instead, focus on lighter loads and gradually increase the intensity over time. This helps prevent excessive soreness and allows your muscles to adapt to the stress of exercise. By gradually building up your workout intensity, you'll give your body time to adjust and reduce the risk of overloading your muscles. Listen to your body. If you feel sore or fatigued, take the time to rest and recover before pushing yourself harder. Step 8. Make recovery a priority. When you're focused on training hard and improving your performance, it's easy to overlook recovery. But recovery is a crucial part of the process. It's when your muscles repair and grow stronger. Make recovery a priority just as much as your workouts. If you want to be able to perform at your best, you need to give your body the time and care it needs to recover properly. Set aside time each week to focus on recovery, whether it's foam rolling, doing active recovery, or getting extra sleep. Make sure your body gets what it needs so that you can continue to perform at your peak and reduce the risk of burnout or injury. Building a weekly recovery routine is just as important as your workouts if you want to boost your performance. By incorporating rest, sleep, foam rolling, active recovery, and proper nutrition, you're setting yourself up for success. A well-rounded recovery plan helps reduce muscle soreness, prevent injuries, and ensures you're always ready to give your best effort in every workout. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below and let me know what part of your recovery routine you're focusing on, or share your own recovery tips. Keep training hard, but remember that recovery is just as important for improving performance. See you in the next video.